Ano ito tawag? Thank you for the thumbs up. Thank you sa thumbs up. Thank you for viewers. Kumusta? Almusal, kamote, sweet potato. Wala man sira ano niyan ha?
Ano, sabi ni Mami, postpone mo na ako na nag-iistoryahan pa siya. Pakilala pa lang niya si Sir.
Okay.
Ang principal.
Mayad.
Oo, sabi ni Ma'am, sabi ni Ma'am, lang yun, postpone ko na ako no, kay ma-iistoryahan pa kong sira. Nila Sir, ang principal. May-iistoryahan pa ko. Kaya sabi ko, abi, sabi ko na ano dagos niya. Kaya sabi ko, si Gab, sabi, diri ko no ate kay yung postpone ko no muna kay ma-iistoryahan kung saan talaga ang pinag-ano.
Sabi na ko, ano ba ito kaya ako sa
Opo, si Sir Elkin by Delubino. Ano, dakong boses ha? Pero ano lang si, pero dakong boses niya kay nag-ano baga sa flag ceremony.
Yato ako.
Ayun,
ako. Pag hunok nga ni maano si Gab.
Di man ngayon.
Sabi ko,
Impospon,
sabi ko
ko na si Ma'am Pagod.
sabi ko nga ni Gab, gawin ko nito, tumiyag to. Ano ko muna yan? Sabi, tuom ko mamas ko. Tinambugan pa ako dito na haji. At diri ko pa intutok doon kung paano ano.
Nag-aadit siya nag-ano.
Nag-aadan.
Si Abi nga ni, sabi yung papa, kagabi nga ni, sabi at sa inyo ni ko na nga ni, ni Abi siya niya lang narain mo kay kagabi ko kang parang sira sa tula nga ni. Yan pag una nga ni niya. Kay 18 ba gano'n niya.
Sige, borak man lamang ito. Dala ko ba ang cellphone?
Postpone nga ni, di ba? Kami kayo mag-i-restore kay grabe na niya, ito may pandabaga.
Oo.
Sabi ni Sir.
Durungan na. Yes, I'm 40 years old. Federico, I'm 40. Hi, Derek Johns. Thank you for the thumbs up, guys. Thank you for 13 people here. Thank you so much. My breakfast, kamote, sweet potato. Te amo, baby. Good morning, Randy de la Cruz. What it means? Antonio Carlos. Love you, wife. Yeah. Jim boy, ha? Harsh. Had a where are you from, Harsh? Honey Ahmed. Thank you for the thumbs up. Kulang na kulang ba? Hindi pa ba sapat? Thank you for the thumbs up, guys. I love you from Italy. Hi, Philip. Thank you. Thank you for joining here, Philip. Marciano Falcolan on the vlog. Hello po. Good morning. Good morning, Marciano Falcolan on the vlog. No, not smell good, my feet. Ryan now. Hey. Hi, Em. How about the only thing that smells better than your feet is your... Oh my goodness. Ryan, I think you're wrong channel. Join. The birds! Hi, the birds! Hello po. Hello, the birds po. Gusto mo? Opo. Ayan. Paano? Dali, kata na. Hi, Rosa Milano. Rico, hi. Hello, Chance. Hi, Chance. Thank you for the 18 thumbs up, guys. Hello, the bears. Awesome stream. I really enjoyed watching you play. When's your next stream? Add me on Discord. Christine Pearls. Christine Pearls 542. Discord? What Discord? What is that? Saludos desde Venezuela. Hi, Christian Torres from Venezuela. Shout out to you, Christian Torres from Venezuela. Thank you for joining here from Philippines. Gary Feltner, what are you eating? I am from Kentucky in the United States. You haven't been there. Sweet potato. Kamote in Philippines. Sweet potato in English. The verse 2005, Team, why did you block me earlier? I didn't say not bad to her. Oh, why? Thank you for the 18 people, Tomsek. You did just keep things clean. Dabi, here's Dabi. Thank you for joining here. Thank you guys. Sweet potatoes are good for you, yes. One of my favorite food here in the province. Kulang na kulang ba? I only block you, not ban you. Huh? I see hi my daughter in Tagalog, that's it. I see. Please use English to do things. You even put maple syrup on sweet potato. No maple syrup here. I think if have a maple syrup here, it's expensive because it's from Europe or American countries like that. Hello, host. Hi, Adrian. Pastasa official. Beautiful. Hi, Stephen Yanton. Yantarn. Hi, nanonood ako dito. Salamat po, Adrian. Pastasa official. Thank you po. I am American. Right here in Indiana. Okay, the verse 2005. Thank you, Sir Davers. 2005. Gary, what part of Kentucky? Bigyan kita ng 10 bananas. Salamat, Adrian Bastasa official. Thank you po. Thank you for the thumbs up, guys. Joe in Quiz in USA. Hi, Joe in Quiz in USA. Thank you po. Please pakibiga ng moderator. Hi, Rico. Hi, Joe, Chris in USA. Neil Campbell. Hi, I'm from Cambridge in the United Kingdom. I miss the Philippines and good rice. How are you doing today? I eat sweet potato today. Later, after the live, I'm going to work. Peekaboo has arrived. Peekaboo has arrived. Hi, Peekaboo. Team, trust your girlfriend. Don't chase her views away on her channel. Will not grow. How's it going? It's going better. Let me pay attention here. Sweet potatoes are yum. Yes, yummy. Dukarocha. Ayaw ang pangalan na yan. Please give me moderator. Adrian, sana may moderator ako now. Have a great day. Hi, Niel. Have a great day po. Sugar, sugar, going to work. What do? You are? Your. Us, please. Pakibigay ng 10 sa akin. Wala akong 10 banana, pero meron ako 5. Naibibigay ko yan. Cost 2.7 ka na. Yes, thank you. Thank you po. Sana gano'n. Morning, ma'am. Good morning, Jake Reyes. Talaga po, salamat po. Salamat, Adrian. What's the sound in the background? Watching a movie. My parents watching a TV, like a news. How old are you? I'm 40 years old, Christopher Bristol. Brother, just some advice. I did 2 girls from Bicol. They are very strong and independent. Wow. That's great. The bar is 2005. Okay, tell your Peekaboo says hi. Hi! Thank you, Peekaboo. You look good for 40, no lie. Thank you, Christopher Bristol. Zazamon. Hi, Zazamon. Thank you sa nag-thumbs up. Thank you po. 40 is still bunso. I will be 47 and 48 in September. Advance happy birthday, the Bars. Dabi, so you're a cheater, so I don't need your advice. Bunso is younger sister, yes. Oh my goodness. Maaari mo bang ipakita? No. Magandang pa mo. Hindi maganda yung pa ko. Sorry, Jazz. What's on the news? What's the story? The story about what, Peekaboo? The news about the watching TV. Different story and different news about politics here in the Philippines, about what's happening in the world, happening here. Cheryl said he dates 2 girls, so that's cheating. Maybe in a different situation. Maybe after he dates another one, just dating, not in a relationship. It difference, I think. It's just a dating, so it no commitment. If it's still dating. Hello, my friend. How are you doing this morning? Hi, Brian Burger. I'm fine. I'm doing lab na. I'm eating sweet potato and after I'm going to work. Thank you for 26 thumbs up and 15 people here. Maybe, yes, maybe searching for someone. That's why he met different people. He met different women. Cheater, no, they're from Bicol. It was different times. One is in Manila, now one is Saudi work as maid, sending money back to the family. We're still friends on Messenger with them. Wow, that's great. That's great, the Bears. They both Bicolana. Oh, okay. I take back cheater comment. Cheater for me is if and you are in a relationship and you committed to another or dating to another, it's called cheating. But it's a dating. It's courting someone, like to getting to know each other, and then if it's work, then you are in a relationship. But if you are already in a relationship and you are dating to someone or try to flirting someone, it's called cheating for me. Many happen thing here in Bicol also. I see a lot of, not also in Bicol, but in here in the Philippines. Here I see even young generation here, cheaters, a lot of cheaters. They are in a relationship, and even a woman, they are cheat on their partner. Are you guys still getting married? Yep. Because here I know people uh, that are young here, even the older, same age, cheaters. They are in a relationship and they dating someone. Oh my god. Hello, brother. Hi, Junior 7. Pinay Tika of family. First, how they are. Yes, the birds. That's right. Hello, brother. Hi, the birds. Thank you for 20 people here. Thank you, 29 people giving the thumbs up. Thank you, guys. Good day sa'yo, John Lords. Enjoy your live streaming. Salamat po, Romel Balacano. Eating healthy, yes. Hello, Cheryl from Bobby Home. Horn. Horn. For American, so American Pinay, yes, move there. He can't own land in Philippines. She is coming here, yeah. Hello from Texas, Arturo Rosales from Texas. Shout out to you, you got it right. You got it right. Where are you from, Bobby Horn? Kulang na kulang ba? Hindi pa ba sapat? Inubos mo lahat. Panahon ko sa'yo, ano gagawin? Where me, I'm from Philippines. You could get a fiancé visa with them, but must take 5 years to get kids a visa. 5 years, 5 years to get kids a visa. Oh wow. Huh? Too long? Love it. Kulang na kulang ba? Hindi pa ba Mr. Angolo? Hi. Thank you for 31 times like. Thank you 15 people here. Hindi pa ba sapat inubos mo lahat? Panahon ko sa'yo. We already have it worked out. Everyone's situation is different. Guys? Ika ka. Mana ika ka? Ika ko. Ano? Yag. Mauyag ka? Diin. Ika ko. Mauyag ka? Diin ka mauyag. Uyag. Do uyag. Uyag na. Diin ka mauyag. Uyag na, uyag na. Oh, sige, uyag na. Uyag ka, no? Nagigigit ako. Nagigigit ako. Uyag na. Really pale. Pale Hensley, you look great in a bikini. I know, Char. Good morning, my dream love. Kandra Felicia. Hi, Kandra Felicia. Hello. Salamat sa 33 thumbs up. My dream love. Just say from the friends I have that already moved here as personal. I don't know. Hi from Petron, 100%. 100% Petrol. Good morning. Good morning. Thank you so 34 thumbs up. Great smile. Great smile with the big eye bags. Good morning, Cheryl. How are you? Hi, guys, Sanders. I'm fine. You know, people could get you to earn here, but you don't have set up. You know, people could give you to earn here, but you don't have set up. How? How the bears? I'm I try to monetize my channel again here. She's working on mountain. Pa? Hi, hi. Iya, di ako. Ya, di ako. Oh, ya, di ako, ya, di ako. Nanggigigil ako. Nanggigigil ako sa bata. Nanggigigil ako sa bata.
Nabuko ka. Ha?
My father. Well, you would look great in the bikini.
Ito ang ako singkota.
Butangan mo kwarta?
Eh, ipa-check up ko ba't ako. Hindi ako nakagod.
Hindi ka na nakay mo?
Ay, na.
Ay, paano mo pag-check mo?
Itsura, parang pwede sa'yo mo.
Raparap na? Hindi pa check up na yun ang mata mo.
Paano ko dismal?
Madusmil.
Ay, naparta ko. Kasado yun, bayad ko sa ritso.
Ibarayad mo sa litson kay maano ka, matanong ka naman rin.
Yung gamit ako po na ko.
Hindi ka na mag-ano.
Ay, mga wala ko. Bawag. Ay, mga tangkalan sa iyo. Pagpakan. Ay, para tingko na ko nila. Naluyaw lang. Mga pagkaya ko nila ka.
Saan mo ka mapatay? Saga.
Ha?
Saga.
Oo. Ay, alam niyo na pag-inito. Ako nakagod.
Sa ano yun ha? Sa, dito sa may optical. Sa ano sa mata.
Yung punong bago ng buhay sa may ay mo.
Ay mo. Din yun.
Ay mo din. Antipara.
Hmm. Oo, bali antiparahan yun.
Bagay mo ko.
O, antiparahan yun.
Man, yung nakila.
Hmm. Tapos mama binyang baga, pag wala antipara, di niya ako kilala.
Nakila.
Ano hununan ang antipara ni mama binyang?
Nabili ko nito.
Bali antiparahan.
Ano yung paggawa?
Hmm. Mao, antiparahan yun. Kay ano, mga patsikat kita sa
Baka nabubungulugod ako.
pa.
Pagkaparap.
Oo, antiparahan yun.
Baka nabubungol pa ako.
Pagbulong.
Mama. Ito lang yun. Bisita lang ako.
Paano ka mabasitan?
Parang makaka. Ito na yung buka na sa dito. Ito na kasi. Ito na ito. Nakakapon ko ka. Ang tanda ko sa buka. Hindi ko na. Ito ko na. Ano ko yung silbo.
I know, just a joke. Wait. Look at other Pinay live. They have set up. I see guys give all time. Wow, really? You don't have any accounts or people? I don't have PayPal account. I have Gcash. If she gets 50 likes, she will wear a bikini in her next live. Oh my god. How are you, Daddy? My daddy said it's a personal petrol. Me, she doesn't. How long before monetize? I need watch hour. I will be monetized. I need a 1,400 watch hour. Is that Petrol? She has like, yeah, I need watch hour. Hey Petrol, 50 like easy. Like the live chat. Hi Kusman, your father is looking at a girl outside. Lol. Chill, just a joke. I know. How many likes to see here in the beginning on this live? Thank you for 15 people here. A Kirita, that would be a fun target. What do you do for work? So many things to do. Hello from Alabama. Night chills. Hi. Put Gcash on your profile. Okay. I will put. Thank you, Petrol. Where do you live in? I live in what? Philippines. Nalutang ako. I live in Philippines. You're beautiful. Thank you. 1,000 for her. Easy for you. Oh, thank you. How I wish. So easy. Hi. Hello from France. Nicolas SL from France. Emmanuel Salva. Thank you. Thank you guys. So cute. So cute. Kulang na kulang. Do you know the Bama joke? What Bama joke? Say it, Junior 7. Hello, beautiful from Donny Halcom. Kulang na kulang ba? Di pa ba sapat? Congratulations to your husband. He has a great choice. Okay, thank you. Husband to be. You ask him maybe. Darling. Are you asking? The joke for Bama? Tim, what means Bama joke? Say it. Darling. Thank you for the 19 people. Oh my goodness. I saw honey. Thank you, Donny Halcom. You would look great in a bikini. I don't know what joke he is talking about. About Bama joke. What is meaning of relationship? Well, wag mo nang alamin. Bata ka pa, wag mo munang alamin. Enjoy mo lang sa buhay. Mag-enjoy ka sa buhay. Sakit lang sa ulo yan. Kapag nasa tamang edad ka na, malalaman mo rin yan. Experience is the best teacher. Mario Martinez, hello Cheryl. Hi Mario. Wow, sarap yan. Masarap po talaga to. Linda. Hello, Pleno Elias. Hi, Pleno Elias. Naranasan mo na ba ate? Oo naman. I like the pink. Black pink. House favorite K-pop group? K-pop group? Blackpink. No. Oh yes, Blackpink. Ocean American. Bolly UKC. Bolly talaga. Oh my god, very beautiful girl. Good morning. Rodrigo, Kisses Brazil. Oh, good morning, Rodrigo. Hi there, beautiful lady. Thank you, Stephen Carpenter. Aki. Adaluz Santana Guerrero. Petron, di good too. Sarap mo. Ayun, no. Ronel. Raiko. Ano na yun? Jen Rico. Maaparay-aray kayo dyan. I subscribe to you. Thank you, Asian American. Do you like G22? What G22 means? Estoy. Estoy? Hi, Pleno Aliens. Surely you might have to buy a bikini today. Yes. Can you share explain about sa relasyon natin? Ang masasabi ko sa relasyon, kung gusto mong pumasok sa relasyon, piliin mo yung tamang tao para sa'yo. Hindi lang sa looks, hindi lang sa masarap na salita, hindi lang sa panlabas kasi minsan fake yan. Yung inaakala mong okay sila, hindi. Kailangan kilalanin mo muna ang isang tao. At para makilala mo siya, test him. Test them. Testingin mo, subukan mo. Pakita mo yung masamang ugali mo, pakita mo yung bad sides mo. Kasi, syempre mamahalin naman tayo ng isang tao kasi sa panlabas natin sa sa mga gandang qualities natin, sa kung ano yung itsura natin, kung maganda tayo sa looks, tapos yung good qualities. Subukan mo, pakita yung bad sides mo. Hindi naman sa as in bad sides mo talaga. Ipakita mo rin yung another bad sides na mangyayari sa'yo kapag ano ka, doon mo lalalaman na mahal ka ng tao at masaya ang makipagrelasyon. Kasi doon malalaman mo kung anong masasabi sa'yo, kung masasaktan ka physically, sa verbal na salita. Alam mo yung mas masakit yung sa salita. Hindi mo makakalimutan yun. Promise. Trauma. Piliin mo yung taong makakarelasyon mo. Payo ko lang sa'yo, so maybe bata ka pa, maraming mapansin lang. Minsan gagamitin ka lang, may makikilala ka na gagamitin ka lang, pang ano ka lang, pang display ka lang, trip lang nila, ganon. O maging gentleman. Yay. One more. Can you please be my LDR? Oh my god. I like and subscribe, friends. Like, thank you, Rodrigo. Hi. Hugs for you, more hugs for you. Take me for you girls, please. You would look awesome in a string bikini, baby. Jen Vlogs. Can I like this stream? Junior 7, please like my stream, please. Hi, Rodrigo from Petrol. Yes, Adalos what? Hello, Antonio Ribas. Hey, Jen from Petrol. Jen Vlogs. Cheryl English. I explain about our relationship. Oo nga po. Jane, good morning, my friend from Rodrigo. Hey, Anthony from Petrol. Beautiful hair. Thank you, Donnie. Welcome. Thank you, my friend Rodrigo from Jen Vlogs. Gagamitin ka lang pampalipas oras. Totoo yan. Tapos, ang masaklap, yung gagamit sa'yo, walang kwenta. Wala man lang kaambag-ambag sa buhay mo. Wala ka kwenta-kwenta. Feel na feel pa. We're at 51. Yes, 53 now. Good. Ma'am, kung dalawa, sinong pipiliin mo? Yung pangalawa. Hindi ako maghahanap ng pangalawa kung mabuti yung una. Tanggalin mo na yung una. Kasi hindi ka magpapangalawa kung mabuti yung una. Tama ba? Either, ginamit mo yung pangalawa kasi hindi kayo okay ng una. Pangit yun. It's cheating. Ilang taon ka na? 40 years old po. Goal reach. Full day tomorrow. Yes, full day tomorrow. Oh, fully beautiful, more Morena. Thank you, Wendell Scott. Like the live chat. 55 more. Gene hugs from Brazil, from Rodrigo. That's the first thing I do, baby. Stop the like button. Oh my god. Thank you, Johnny. Like and subscribe, friends. Thank you. Rodrigo Alvis, hi. Kaya kung pipili ka ng mga karelasyon, piliin mo yung marunong makontento. Mukha lang po kayo 10 years old. Mukha lang, pero makunat na. Yes, honey. Kulang ba? Di ba ba sapat? Hi, good morning you. Good morning. Christopher Subiaga. Hi, Christopher. Hi, good morning. You. I'm in love. Thank you for 20 people here. Thank you guys. Thank you so much. Salamat ate. For the Camacho, always welcome. Sa panahon ngayon ay ngayong yung henerasyon ngayon, my God, magpababae, magpalalaki, magpababae. Yung cheating, mga nagloloko. Yung babae may karelasyon, nagkikipaglandian sa iba. Oh my God. Tapos yung lalaki naman, habang sila may relasyon sa iba, nag-away lang, nag-aanoan lang, maghahanap agad ng my God. The worst thing is, love you from Christopher Subiaga. Hello there, do you have bar farm? No. No bar farm here. I'm living in the Philippines. Good morning, you. Good morning. I'm in love. You're in love for? Hi, Ma'am Josephine Balsibal Salazar. Kinsa nagloko? Felipe Acampado. Do you have male pig? No. No male pig here. Someday I found someone who really loves me. Call me baby. Thank you for 17 people watching here. Thank you for the 55 thumbs up, guys. Kulang at kulang ba? Dito ba sa gorgeous, great smile, sweetheart? Do you have a husband? Not yet, but soon I will have a husband. Josephine Barsibal. Hi, Josephine Barsibal Salazar. Can we go to the beach now? I hope. If I have money, I will go to the beach now, as soon as possible. Beach here a little far here. I need to rent the car, like something like that, to travel there. Great sing more. Great boy sing. Adnan, you wrong move here. Sorry. You wrong mover. Your words is not appropriate my channel. I'm sorry. You're not allowed here. Come to the USA beautiful. I will come there soon. Soon. Petrol. 100%. Hopya pa di popcorn. Marcus, oh man. Hi Marcus. Isa pa to si Marcus eh. Ma'am, sasabihin pa ako sa inyo kasi po may asawa na ako pero may pumunta po sa akin dati kong kasintahan. Sino po pipiliin ko? May asawa ka na. Tapos dati mo na yung karelasyon, bakit mo pa i-entertainin? Kasi kung mahal mo yung dati mong karelasyon mo, hindi mo siya iiwan. Siyempre pipiliin mo yung asawa mo. Yung asawa mo yan eh. My God. Konting lang, ganyan lang, papatukso ka. Lulukuhin mo ang asawa mo dahil nakita mo lang si ex. Hindi maganda yan. Be faithful. Be faithful, Ronel. You have a relationship now, so ex. Kaya nga ex eh. Ex is ex. love your wife na, love your family. Magkakasala ka lang. Hindi yan, napakasimpleng problema lang yan. Alam mo yung, ano yan, solusyon dyan? Alam mo yung tama at mali. Lagi mong pipiliin kung ano yung tama. Alam mo ng mali, ginawa mo pa, magkakasala ka. Wag mo na. Baka pinatulan mo pa, wag mo nang patagalin. Potolin mo na yan. Ikaw lang gagawa ng problema mo. Tayo lang din naman talaga gagawa ng problema natin, sa totoo lang. Alam mo ng mali, papatusin mo pa. What part you say you? Like, halimbawa ganito. Alam mo na may karelasyon yun, ay alam mo na may jowa yun, alam mo na may asawa yun. Ikaw, kung nasa matinong pag-iisip ka, papatol ka sa may asawa, tuturuan mo siyang manggago, gagaguhin niya yung asawa niya, nilulukuhin yung asawa dahil nilandik mo. O, sino ang matinod dyan? Kayo lang din naman ang gumagawa ng problema eh. Pag nagka-problema kayo, di ano kayo. Kasi ano lang yan eh, tawag lang yan ng laman. Kalandian lang yan. Hindi ako naniniwala na ano yan, tukso-tukso. Hindi, kalandian yan. Nalandik mo eh. Come to USA and be a homeless baby girl. Oh my god. This Pasidex. Hello beautiful friend. Hi Harley. I love you darling. Homeless. Can I give your WhatsApp? I have no WhatsApp. Sorry. Kulang ba? Hindi pa ba sapat? Kasal pati po ako. Eh, kasal ka pala eh. O, tingnan mo, kasal ka pa. Tapos nakita mo yun si ex. Nag-isip ka. Hindi ka, ba't ka pa mag-iisip? Tingnan mo ah. Lulukuhin mo yung asawa mo. Kasi nakikita mo yung tukso. Diba? Ganyan ang mga lalaki. Pero may babae din ganyan. Oh, kasi alam mo na may karelasyon ka. Gagawa ka ng ano. May gulay. Halimbawa lang. Na out of love ka na sa asawa mo. Iwalayan mo. Sumama ka dun sa ex mo. Simple lang, diba? Okay lang na masaktan mo siya. At least naging honest ka. Either, ang pangit kasi, habang kayo ng asawa mo, nakikipag-tsuktsakan ka dun sa ex mo. Pangit yung niloloko mo yung sarili mo, niloloko mo yung mga taong sa paligid sa'yo. Eh, nangyayari yan dito sa Pilipinas. Kayo, kapag may nakita kayo, may na-inlove kayo sa iba, breakan nyo na. Doon kayo sa ano, huwag kayo namamangka sa dalawang ilog. Kahit asawa mo pa yan, kung hindi mo na siya mahal, wala yan mo. Lokohin mo lang siya. Alam mo yung karma matters, may darating din yan. Mararamdaman mo yan, mararanasan mo yung karma, hindi man ngayon. Mag-i-enjoy ka ngayon dahil nagluloko ka. Pero darating ang panahon, makikil mo rin yung karma. Alam ba, may anak pa. Ay, isipin mo lang sa anak mo mangyayari sa'yo yan, tapos makikita mo. I wish you would speak English. Sure. Yeah. Because, he asked for advice. He have a wife and he meet his ex, so that's why confusing. He asking if what would he do if he chooses his wife or his ex. Oh my god, it's a cheating. Of course you choose your wife than your ex. If you don't love your wife, your partner, you need to divorce him. You need to break with them, then choose another. No need to play the two woman while you are in a relationship going to another. It's fine? No, that's fine. Opo, may anak ko dalawa. Ano? Kaya may anak ka pala eh. ganito yan, kahit may anak ka o may asawa ka, kung hindi mo na siya mahal, kung nakikipagtsuktsakan ka na lang sa ex mo, lulayan mo. Masakit man yun sa asawa mo, makaka-recover yan. Kasi alangan naman, mas masakit yung niloloko mo siya. Habang kayo, pangit, kadiri. Kadiri talaga, habang kayo may kayo pa, may another ano pa, kadiri siya. Nanidiri ako sa ganyan. Nag-i-enjoy ka doon, tapos nag-i-enjoy ka rin. Tapos alam mo kasi yung mga ganyan, playing safe yan, hindi mo maiwan yung asawa mo eh, pero nakikipaglandian kaya sa iba. Kasi duwag kayo eh. Duwag kayo. Hindi yan kagwapuan, hindi yan dagdag sa kapugian. Kababawan niya ng pagkalalaki. Yun, naano ako dun sa mga lalaki na bibilang. Tapos yung inaano niya, may mga karelasyon. Feel na feel nila yan. Good morning, idol. Kahit yung babae din. Yung babaeng ganyan. No. Sa no po niya. Kaanuhan yan, tawag lang yun ng laman. Kasi makasarili kayo. Tapos, ang kawawa pa if kapag mabait pa yung asawa niyo, tapos niloko niyo pa, wala na kayong konsensya niyo. Binibigay na sa inyo ng mga asawa niyo yung mga pangailangan niyo, gusto niyo, inasikaso kayo, tapos nag-cheat pa kayo. Karma is weaving soon. You wear a bikini tomorrow, yes, at the beach. Okay. I'm in another room. My brother's room. Turn off mode. Oh my God, 60 thumbs up. Happy. 21 people here. Salamat. May asawa rin siya. Ay, yun na nga eh. May asawa na siya. Tapos may asawa ka rin. Nanggigigil ako eh. May asawa ka, may asawa siya. Tapos nag-ano kayo, nagmi-meet kayo. Tapos, ano gusto nyo mangyari? Maging kayo. Ang problema kay may asawa ka na nga. Yan, isa kasimple yan. Hindi mo po problemahin yan. Kasi nga, may asawa ka na. Tapos yung babae, may asawa din. Nanggigigil talaga ako sa ganyang problema na hindi yan problema. Tokso yan. Alam mo, kalandian yan na ramdaman mo dong. Kalandian yan. Ayaw ko ng ganyang problema. Hindi ang problema eh. Simple lang yan problema mo. Huwag mong komplikaduhin. Naku, may paano-ano kayo eh. May asawa ka, may asawa siya. Oh my God. It's a problem. The problem is your mentality. Because you know what? You have a relationship then yung ex mo may asawa din. Anong problema doon? Ang problema nyo doon is kalandian nyo. I'm going deaf. Well, I can deal with that. I guess so long as I don't lose my sight. Such beauty. Oh, thank you, Danielle. Guys, good morning, guys. Sulalang nanonood sa, iwanan ka na. Johnny. May asawa rin siya. Nako, Ronel. Good morning, idol. John Rig, hi. Yes, I turn on now. You're gorgeous looking. Thank you, Johnny. What? Show bikini. Not now. Not now. Kick him out. Happy FIFA. Kasi siya ang pupunta dito sa bahay. So what? Ganyang babae hindi mapagkakatiwalaan. Alam mo kung bakit? Ganyan eh. Pinakita niya yung intention niya. May asawa siya. Tapos magluloko siya. Magkikipagkita sa'yo. Hindi mo siya. Pag naging kayo niyan, gagawin din niya yan sa'yo. Cheater din yung ex mo eh. Ikaw din. Ano ka din eh. May asawa na siya. Ano-ano pa sa'yo. Eh, baka ganyan ka din. Hindi bagay kayo. Lokohin mo yung asawa mo. Tuwa ka naman na nilalandi ka ng ex mo. Gusto nyo kasi yung mga lalaki nilalandi kayo ng babae. Gusto nyo yan, no? Kurutin ko Kurutin ko yung singit mo eh. No, really, I'm in love. I'm all shocked. I really. Not now. Philip, don't be rush. I will wear bikini. Not now. I prepare myself. Hello! Julito Calonod. Daniel, it's a miracle. You are the great healer. I can hear you. No. Daniel, I muted in a few minutes. Oh my God. No. The other guy. Pa-shout out from Bacolor, Pampanga. Hi, John Ray Gaton from Bacolor, Pampanga. Guys, I love you. Idol forever kita mamahalin, guys. Salamat, guys. Oh my, what did I walk into? When you show bikini? Not now, Philip. Maybe tomorrow or another day. I need to buy a bikini. Of course, beautiful bikini. You see the ano? You will disappoint me soon. Don't worry. Like your outfit. Thank you, Johnny. Welcome. Who you talking to? Oh, my sister. My brother's wife. My brother's wife. I'm here. Their home. Travis Chapman. Hey, baby, what's up with you, though? Hi, what's up? Daniel, Piso say Pico side. Hi, Pico side. Hello, everyone. Pampal Crutch. Oh, I'm all shocked up, baby. What's up, BBU in love? BBU in love. I'm in love with you, baby. Travis Chapman, where are you from? Philip, okay, but tell me when so I can watch you. Okay. Mga ano talaga, maguna mo na ano na. Di ba magurya ka mga gusto nga. Ma'am, nahirapan na ako. Nahirapan ka na saan? Huwag kang mahirapan, napakasimple lang yung problema. Samantalang yung iba, ang problema, hindi ganyan. Binibigyan mo ng problema yung sarili mo. Naiinis ako. Hindi yan problema. Simpleng problema lang yan, may asawa ka na. Samantalang yung iba, gusto mag-asawa, hindi nakaasawa. Samantalang ikaw may asawa ka na, may anak ka na. Ano pang gusto mo? Magkabit-kabit ka. Bibigyan mo ng problema yung sarili mo. Bibigyan mo ng problema yung asawa mo, pati yung kabit mo. Dami yung lulukuhin. Promise. Asawa mo, anak mo, mga kapitbahay mo. Ay, hingi ka ng advice sa mga marites dyan. Wag sa akin. Yes, please, Cheryl, slow down. You're moving too fast for me. You must be friend. You must be be friends first. I buy for you. Buy now. Atat na atat eh. Yeah, that's on the top of your to-do list. She's having such laughter about you. Know that guy gave advice to, but now he is being asshole. Hi, mommy. Hi, Syed. I already see Zaid when he is wearing a bikini. I want to buy something for you. Okay, thank you. Philip, Donna, speak or you're gone. Tony, Paul Crutch, Buck. Donny, Donny, Papani, Banana Nut, Donny, Ipa, Donny. Thank you, 63. Oh my God, 63 thumbs up.
Balik-balik.
Oh, thank you sa nag-thumbs up. Salamat sa nanonood. Sa nanonood pa. Maganda talaga nag-ano minsan eh. Ako, tuda ko lang libot-libot sa balay. Magayon niya, di pag-finishing niya, di ha, saka mo butangan sa, may pwede, pintura na lang ha. Pero, siyempre, son pa yun. Red Donna's next comment I hide. I didn't see the comment. I bought her a broom so she may sweep us off of our feet. Thank you, 19 people here. Oh my God, thank you so much. 64 thumbs up. It's a great live now today. I reached 64 likes. Hope 100 likes. Manifesting. Thank you, 22 people here. Thank you, guys. Kulang na kulang ba? Di pa ba sapat? I like the wall color.
Sa YouTube mo yun.
Sa YouTube. Thank you, 22 people here. Thank you. I have a handful of likes, and I'm only allowed to give him one. Kulang na kulang ba? Di pa ba sapat? Inubos mo lahat. Panahon ko sa'yo, anong gagawin? Di mo napapansin. I guess I'm gonna have to keep coming back until I am all out. Daniel. Sir Daniel. Thank you for the 65 thumbs up and 17 people here. Thank you, guys. Kulang na kulang ba? Di pa ba sapat? Inumbos mong lahat. Nagsabi si Papay na mapacheck up ko na siya. Kay naglalabo ko ng pag-imod niya. Nagluluwa. Sabi ko nga ni Buddy, paantiparahan.
Pag hindi na siya, may dyan nakakakita. Pag ilas ba sa lasawa mo sa hita? Mag-isipit. Mau ba di antiparahan?
Antiparahan. Nagluluhan mata niya eh. Antiparahan.
Sorry, ako nga ni.
La 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 la. That is the best I can do. Thank you for the 66 thumbs up, guys. What can I buy for you? You can buy for me a car, iPhone 16 Pro Max, dream house. Char, joke. It's a joke. Tell your sister and lot to fix the roof. Okay, iPhone. Oh, iPhone? Sabi ko na noon, may ibibigay, ihatag, mababakal ko sa iyo, like, kung iPhone, ganyan. Sabi, sige ko no, iPhone ko no. Siya. But then you come Italy. You're from Italy, Philip? Your brother fixed it.
Nasa iba, sa ibang bansa.
Bling bling. Kulang na kulang. Yes, I'm from Italy. Oh, wow. Nice to meet you, Philip, from Italy. Ta-da-da-da-da-da. How old are you, Philip? Filipino. And I'm looking for someone like, uh, single, she's young and beautiful. You will like her, Philip. Okay, go ahead, Philip. She will take an iPhone from you and then get her a laptop. I'm 38, not married. Oh, you're still young. I'm 40 years old, Philip. You're young. Ninja Kid, hi, hello. Kulang na kulang ba? Come on, viewers. You want to talk to somebody. Thank you for the 16 people and 66 thumbs up. Kulang na kulang ba? Di pa ba sapat yung gusto mo? How old are you? I'm 40 years old. 40. Hi, beautiful. Hi, Johnny Atkins. Daniel, a bunch of stalkers in here. Antonio Carlos. Antonio Carlos. Thank you for 17 people here. Oh, you seem 20. I'm 52. It's Johnny Atkins. Nice to meet you, Sir Johnny Atkins. Antonio English. 25 people here. Thank you, guys. She's very beautiful. Oh, thank you, Johnny Atkins. Siguro pwede ka mag-BNS.
Ako?
Yan ko si Kat.
May mapagalog na lang.
Doon ko man ikaw?
Sa bigyan na.
Nano, pudman ka mo ni Bayon Maricar. Antonio, pangit mo, salamat. Gwapo mo, Anthony Soprano. Ang pogi mo siguro. Artistahin. At least, kahit pogi ka, napadpad ka dito. Na small YouTubers pa. Daw kami may nag-music pa.
Ay, pati yun.
Dito yun. Dito yun. You're welcome. I like your why.
Pero may daan.
Generous peg. Papagado.
Wala ko kahapon.
Nakahapon ang bunong. Okay? No, not yet. Wi-Fi freezing. You're looking for marriage? Yes. I'm getting married soon. Philip. Bye-bye. Bye. Thank you guys for joining. Thank you so much. Excuse me. Bye-bye. I'm getting married soon, I said.
Pagdi.
I'm getting married.
Ay, doon.
No, stay. No, stay? Stay? I hear you have WhatsApp. Write me, please. I have no WhatsApp, Philip. My phone is full storage. My phone is full storage. And my phone is destroyed and broken like me. Char. Joke lang. It's a joke. Philip, she's taken. Give up. Si Tim, pakinira man ini. Hindi sa may nag, ano pa. Pang-routing sa. I just wipe my whole phone clean. Come on, give me. You, no, I have no. Honestly, I have no WhatsApp. It's taken. Yes, taken by me. Can you fill it up? No, Philip, I will kick you to stop. No, no, don't do that. Just joking. And Daisy deliberate. Wow, what a beautiful face. Would you like to get a tribute? Grabe na. Nice joke. 1900, nice joke. I love you. Ay, mali. Wrong. Okay, sorry, Tim. Sir. Between all the comedy, she tells a lot of truth, but you can only read it if you look deep into her eyes. You will see first my eye bags. Thank you, Philip. I will end the live. Thank you so much for joining. Thank you, guys. Bye bye. God bless you all. Thank you.